bring everybody out because Ms. Horn is speaking with the.
Oh, all right. Well, I'm bringing some of them out. We can proceed on Ms. Dorsey. I'm clicking. I'm sending invites.
I'm bringing all the officers.
Yeah, bring all up.
And excuse me, I don't want to interrupt. If I interrupt, I'll wait.
No, yeah, I'm about to close out the rooms.
Okay, me and Mr. Murray are still talking, and I just needed a copy of the ticket if Mr. Ratliff could send that over.
Oh, okay, well, I'll bring everyone.
Copy of the ticket for, who's his client again? I forgot. Yes. Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, I want everyone to turn on their videos and except for the police officers and remain in the camera. Because we're about to open court in a minute. Alicia Robbins, turn on your video. Alicia Robbins. Everyone, I'm gonna put you on mute and everyone find somewhere to be seated. And when your name is called, unmute your device. Except for you, Mr. Daniels. Could you still hear me, Mr. Daniels?
Yes.
Okay, great. Don't touch your phone. Just remain quiet. I know this. Okay. Okay, Miss Robbins, get into the camera, please. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no in and out of the camera, walking around the home, drinking, driving, eating, smoking, or talking to other people in your household. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full attention to the judge. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Padway. Everyone, when I call your name, let Mr. Pernicano say his name first. Then you say your name. This is the People versus Angela Reed, ticket number SP 1417815, count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Angela Reed.
Say your name is Reed.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. This is Angela Reed.
No PO. This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock, 30 officers appeared. You have a motion, Mr. Pernicano?
Yes, Your Honor. A motion for dismissal at this time.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Reed. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. This is People versus Melvina Dorsey, ticket number SP 1418306, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, say your name to the record.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Melvina Dorsey. State your name, ma'am.
Melvina Dorsey here.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney and my client regarding a plea recommendation, which is for Ms. Dorsey to plead under a delayed sentence to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for a term of 3 months and dismissal of the no insurance.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dorsey. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Direct your attention to January 6, 2023 at 11:11 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2007 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Pernicano?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate proper causes count two to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
It's dismissed without prejudice. Officer Brown, can you say your name for the record, please?
Officer Jalen Brown.
All right, thank you. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Dorsey, there's a fine of $200. When you come back in 3 months, but your next court date is gonna be July 20th at 8:35. You need to have paid the $200 fine, can't get any more tickets during this 3-month time. No citations, nothing. So essentially, no further police contact. If you do all of that, this will be dismissed off your record. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you remember your next court date?
July, can you repeat it, please?
July 20th at 8:35. This is your notice. So make sure you
Okay.
show. All right, you're all set. Thank you, Officer Brown. Okay. Officer Shabazz, we did Alejandra Dominguez. She
Okay, Your Honor.
yeah, she had all valid documentation, so it was dismissed.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, are we ready on Mercedes Reed? All right, this is the people versus Mercedes Reed, ticket number SP 867321, count 1, drove while license not valid on proper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1111476, count 1, drove while license not valid on proper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1133877, count 1, improper, I'm sorry, strike count 1. Count 2 is drove while license not valid on proper license. And then ticket number SP 1176923, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plate, ticket number 194645556, count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 1544713, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Hall.
Good morning, Police Officer Nicholas Hope, badge 179, Detroit Police Department.
Officer Hope.
You muted, Corporal Hope.
I'm sorry, Corporal.
Sorry. Good morning, ma'am. Corporal Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police 12th Precinct.
Joseph Pernicano, P84908, appearing on behalf of my client, Miss Reed. State your name now, ma'am.
Hi, my name is Mercedes Reed.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney and with my client regarding a plea recommendation. That recommendation is for Miss Reed to plead to an amended count on ticket SP 1133872 to improper plates.
I got it, 2 failed to display.
And 2 failure to displays. Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Reed. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand, make sure you say yes or no. You can put your hand down. You understand you have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
Pleading of your own free will?
yes,
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with a guilty plea?
yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 24th, 2017 at 1:07 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile and Pennington in the city of Detroit?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Go ahead.
Were you on May 24th, 2017 at 1:07 p.m. Were you at 7 Mile and Pennington in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving a 2004 vehicle?
yes,
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
yes,
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to September 15th, 2020 at 12:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at Fleming and Emory in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2009 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes,
That vehicle not have insurance?
yes,
And I guess you're satisfied, Mr. Pernicano?
Satisfied.
Court will amend that count to improper plate, and then the first one she made admissions to fell to display. I'm gonna direct your attention to November 9, 2020 at 5:11 p.m. On that date and time, were you at State Fair and Hoyt Street in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2008 Ford vehicle?
yes,
And was your license not valid or improper?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Pernicano?
Satisfied.
Was also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count of failure to display. You stipulate your probable cause that the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
They are dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $200 for one of the failed to display and one of the improper plates. The other failed to display, I'll waive that fine. So you have a total of $400 that you need to pay. Can you have that paid by May 22nd?
yes, I can.
Any questions?
No,
We're all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, officers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Aaron Reeves. You know what? Ticket number SP 1002088 count 1, fails to display. SP 14155 count
Judge,
3.
Judge, I'm losing you. The only thing I got was, SP 1002088 count 1, and then there was a lot of noise from.
SP 1144155 count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1309856 count 2, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number 173244493 count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 973592 count 3, driver suspended. Ticket number SP 973592 count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1309856 count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1290936 count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. Ticket number SP 1144155 count 2, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1043441 count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1043441 count 1, driver license suspended. SP 1034862 count 1, driver license suspended. And SP 1002088 count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names to the record, starting with Officer Moore.
I'm mute to the device, Officer Moore.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, yep, Corporal George Moore, badge 2584, Detroit Police Department.
Officer Brown. You're muted, sir.
Officer Ellen Bro, 3rd Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Aaron Reeves. State your name now, sir.
Aaron Reeves.
Your Honor, these matters are set for a trial today. I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney and review a plea recommendation and discuss that with my client. Mr. Reeves wishes to avail himself to that offer, which is in the file, which is to plead to 5 matters of failure to display and or improper plates, with 8 matters to be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reeves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Bernard Collins, private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty. Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 21st, 2019 at 9:04 p.m. On that date and time, where you have Puritan and Ward in the city of Detroit.
I'll run and do that. I'm gonna do him a solid and do that. Just because.
We can hear you, Ms. Horn.
Were you at Puritan and Ward on February 21st, 2019 at 9:04 p.m.?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
On February 5th, 2022 at 10:15 a.m., were you at Humble and Finkel in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving 2012 Dodge.
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
On January 31st, 2017 at 4:35 p.m., were you at Linden and Terry in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving 2006 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
You do not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
On December 12th, 2020 at 9:16 p.m., were you at license and
You said on December 12th, 2015,
December 12th, 2020
okay,
at 9:15 p.m.? Were you at, is it pronounced Leicester and Woodward in the city of Detroit, Leicester Court and Woodward in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving 2012 Dodge?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
And on June 15, 2019 at 1:46 p.m., were you at Greenfield and Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2015 Hyundai vehicle?
Yes.
Failed to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yeah.
Did you fail to display your license?
Yeah. Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Bernard?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display an improper place. You stipulate your proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a $600 fine. So I'll do for the first three tickets. It'll be $200 for each fine. I'll waive 2 of the other tickets. Can you have that paid by May 22nd?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, officers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
One moment, please. Okay. All right, this is the People versus Alyssa Robbins, ticket number SP 1418983. Count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1418982. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Good morning, say name for the record.
Alyssa
Good morning, Your
Robbins.
Honor. Joseph Bernacano, P 84918. State your name now, Ms. Robbins.
Alyssa Robbins.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review a plea recommendation in this matter and discuss that with my client. My client wishes to avail themselves of that offer, which is to plead guilty to an amended blockading civil infraction.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket or ticket number ending in 982.
So stipulated.
All right, that's admitted to blockading, and then you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Robbins, there's a fine of $175 because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay the fine. Can you have it paid by May 4th?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Marcus Daniel, ticket number SP 1392149, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive and register entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Marcus Daniels. May your device and state your name, Mr. Daniels.
Marcus Daniel.
Your Honor, today is the date and time this matter was set for a trial at 9 a.m. The time is now 11:47 a.m. I have not seen the officer check in. Have you seen the officer check in today in the court?
No, you're not checking.
At this time, I would motion for this matter to be dismissed.
There's also a civil infraction that went to default. Moving to set that default aside.
Yes, Your Honor, I'd motion to set that aside.
Ticket number SP 1389001, count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate. These matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. This is the people versus Alexis Daniel, ticket number SX 4147458, count 1, parole while license suspended, revoked, denied. Count 2, motor vehicle operation without security, ticket number SP 1205203, count 1, improper plate misdemeanor, and count 3, drive while license suspended, repeat offender, and ticket number 194988879, count 1, operator's license of one person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Alexis Daniel. Unmute your device and state your name, Miss Daniel. Unmute your device.
Alexis Daniel.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review a plea recommendation that was offered by the people and will review that with my client. Ms. Daniels wishes to avail herself and accept that offer, which is to plead to 2 failure to displays and 1 improper plate.
All right, raise your hand, Ms. Daniel. You swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with a guilty plea.
Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of August 8, 2021 at 4:16 p.m. on that day and time where you at or near McGraw, Missouri, in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Driving a 2006 Pontiac vehicle.
Yes.
And did that vehicle have improper plates?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Pernicano?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
We're also satisfied factual basis. Will amend count 3 to fail to display. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
And dismissed without also, I'm sorry, there's one more. I'm gonna direct your attention to November 21st, 2022 at 4 p.m. on that date and time, were you at or near the Lodge and Boulevard in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You drive a 2015 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Your driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Bernard?
Satisfied.
Display and cause will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of we'll do a fine for two of the bills to display, it'll be $200 each for those, and then I'll waive one of the fine. So it's gonna be a total of $400. And can you have that paid by May 22nd?
I think she fell off.
She fall off? It's May 22nd when it's due.
Someone just rejoined on an iPhone in the waiting room. Okay.
My apologies. My phone ended the call.
So it's May 22nd is the due date. You owe $400, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Messina, you're I think Mercedes, you're here for Mercedes Reed. She glad.
You ready? Did we do Reeves already? The one who Mr. Murray is here on? Okay, I just wanted to put these in the file, that's all.
No, not Reeves.
Reeves,
No, you have
his
to-
name is Reeves, I keep getting Reeves and
Yeah,
Reeves.
you did.
May I approach, these are his documents. I just wanted to make sure they were filed.
Okay, thank you. Officer Messina, you're all set. We did Mercedes Reed, she fled. And
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know who Sierra Davis Cooper is, but
She's not supposed to come till 1:30.
oh,
Ms. Davis Cooper. Ms. Davis Cooper.
she fled again at 1:30. You're all set, Mr. Pernicano.
All right. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate all the courtroom's help today.
Okay, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. I'll give Christian. All right, this is the people. You ready, Mr. Murray?
Mr. Murray,
Are you ready? All right, I don't know what happened to your client.
he's here, but he's here.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Okay, your client is here, but we can't hear him. He's not connected to audio.
He still hasn't. Okay, I just kind of let him know how to do it. Let me tell him one more time. Excuse me, as attorney, my client is zooming in right now. I'm giving him instructions on how to on the phone.
Okay. He's not in the waiting room.
He's not in the waiting room?
No.
Is he taking a plea? Counsel?
Yes, he is.
Tell him to call in. Tell him he can call and write this down because you may need it.
I have him on the phone. Is that okay?
Well, we'll have to, I'm talking about, if he call in, we'll all be able to hear him. Like if
No,
but could I hear him though, if he's talking? Put him on speaker and see.
Mr. Reese, please take your.
He says waiting for the host.
Okay, can we do it like that? Hold on for a minute.
I don't know who this is. All right, this is the people versus Dwayne Reese, ticket number SP 137-0108, count 1, reckless driving, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. At ticket number SP 1400381, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Murray, PA 5490, appearing on behalf of defendant who's present on the phone. Mr. Reese, please state your name for the record.
My name is Dwayne Matthew Reese.
Officer Holmes, can you say your name for the record, please?
Officer Sydney Holmes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a trial in this matter. However, the people and I have come to a resolution. We have agreed, is my understanding that we have agreed to dismiss the two counts, or excuse me, the 2 tickets for reckless driving, failure to have a license, no insurance, and amend the charge down to failure to adhere to a waste management vehicle.
And then the failure to display is being dismissed as well.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Reese.
Yes.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with the guilty plea?
I didn't hear that.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Well, I wish to do what?
Do you want to proceed with this guilty plea?
Oh, yes. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 6, 2022 at 10:51 p.m. on a date time where you at or near 7 Mile and Joanne Street in the city of Detroit.
That's correct.
Were you driving a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you recklessly driving that vehicle?
I was driving.
Recklessly driving that vehicle?
You were recklessly driving that vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, so the court's gonna, are you satisfied, Mr. Murray?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to use due care and caution to a waste utility maintenance vehicle. And you stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Correct, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Reese, there's a $200 fine. Can you have the fine paid by May 22nd?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, sir?
Thank you.
You're all set, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Officer Holmes. Thank you, Mr.
Appreciate it.
Murray.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Attorney Horn. Can I ask the court, the clerk a question